Alright guys, this is a tutorial on how to make 3D text. Alright guys, so the first thing you do is you need to copy your logo, go to adjust colors, you want to swipe always to the end, and you want to adjust it a little bit so it's darker. You want to put that layer behind, and then you want to position it how you like the 3D. You want to make a new layer for this, because it's after you make the new layer, because we're going to like draw it in, and when you make the new layer, you're going to be able to see the point of where you need to actually like cut it. So first you need to draw it in. I'm doing it with logo right now, but you can do this with text. This is the method I use for text and how to do all my 3D stuff now. So after you color in all the points, you want to go to select, free select, and you just want to tap on the corners. Oh, I didn't mean to do that. You see how you need to tap on the corners? That's the reason why you go to a different layer with different color, so you can see. Okay, so now you want to do that for every single corner. So you guys can see now I only did it for 4 of the points. After you do that, you just want to fill it, and you want to try to get it as the same color. You want to do this for every single point. I only did 4 since I want to show you guys. You want to try to get the right color. And once you do that, you just want to merge the paint layer with your logo layer.